today videos we will discuss over the project work. So there are three topics on which you can make your project file. First is consumer awareness. Second, any social issue. Among these issues, illiteracy, poverty, unemployment and population. Population growth, child abuse or child labor, violence against women, casteism, communalism, regionalism. Three can be combined, and gender division. So this is the second topic, social issue, and any social issue of India can be taken to make the project. Third one is sustainable development. So total three topics are there, and you have to make the project file of any one topic, and take the 10 to 12 A4 size sheets to make your file. And if you are using 1-2 extra pages, that it doesn't matter, but content will be like in these pages. So you have to follow this order. First page, cover page, in which you will write the topic. Suppose you are making your project on sustainable development, then you will write the topic, then your name, your school name, your class, section, etc. The primary information and the year also. Then list of contents with their page number. List of content, like you are making, for example, you are making the project file on the topic sustainable development. So first you will write about the definition of the sustainable development. So you will list it, that the definition is on page number 1 to 2, like this. Then acknowledgements. In acknowledgements, you will give thanks to your teacher, your principal, and your family and friend who are helping you to complete this project. Then chapters with relevant headings. You will write the heading, that here is the cause of land degradation, measure to save the land, like this. First topic, second topic with there. Then after the acknowledgement, the list of acknowledgement, you can leave a place for the certification, from where your teacher can give you the remark, or otherwise somewhere you have to leave the place for the signature of the teacher and his or her remark. Then summary and conclusion. Chapters with relevant headings means here you are giving the brief information of contents. Here you are writing, you have to write in details. Then in the end you will summarize your whole project work, and you have to give the conclusion, small conclusion, half page or 1 page. Then in the end, bibliography. In this you have to write, if you are using any book, the name of the book and the author of the book. Then publisher of the book, and if you are taking help of a website, that the name of website and the link, the URL of the website also. Then if we are taking the example that you are making the project file on the topic of sustainable development. So first you will write the definition of the sustainable development. Then in next page you can write that the need of the sustainable development, then the causes of the consequence of environment degradation, how we are noticed the degradation in environment, the acid rain and global warming, endangered life of uh, plant and other species, the bad effect uh, on the environment, the pollution, other problem. Then we will take that how to control of environmental degradation, make another heading, and these are the chapters. These are the chapters and the with the heading, right? These topics, these detail in by making heading. So what measures can be take to control the environment degradation, like if we are using natural resources wisely, uh, not in control uncontrolled method but in control, reuse recycle methods and other measures to control pollution, uh, air pollution, land degradation, water pollution, what steps can be taken by the industries and the role of the government also. Here you can write the institutional reforms also, and you can write about the environment conventions of UN. So here you can uh, give the examples from your NCERT book, first chapter, and the site of the United Nations, and can make a conclusion. Then for the future generation is it and present situation also, it is important to conserve the environment and development in sustainable matter, the development and the conservation of our natural environment also. So in next video we will discuss the other topics.